Hey guys, welcome back to the next video and let's start creating our application, right? So I'm excited. Let's go ahead. To create an app, we have the option over here, create new app. So let's click it over here. It is asking us what is the name of my app. So in the background, I have sales related data, which I will be using a very simple data and very straightforward. There is nothing much to really understand about it because it's some orders related to the sales and showing different properties like how much discount, how much profit, by what ship mode, etc. you have done the sales. So let's explore that and give a name as sales, and let's create it. Sales was successfully created, and over here, as you can see, this is our new app. So let's go ahead and open an app. And over here, the very first screen is asking us two options: adding data from files and other sources, script editor. So first thing is definitely we want to add the data, and if you need to massage the data or transform the data into our required output format for our analysis need, we will use the script editor, but that is for our later videos. First, let's go ahead and add some files. So I just clicked it over there, and over here there are a lot of options, as you can see. So you have on the left hand side manual entry, my computer, Qlik data market, and then Amazon Redshift, and number of options. You can actually pause the video and read all of these things, but some of the important one, if I say, is Salesforce. We use a lot. Oracle, right? ODBC connection, SQL Server, Amazon Redshift gaining popularity every day, right? And rest of the others like Google BigQuery. All of these things are at our disposal that we can actually connect to and utilize it. All right, so what we will do is, for now I will just select my computer, and in my computer it will ask me where the file is saved. So I will go in C, users, and on my desktop. So I'm just going there. Over here I should have the sales file. Yep, sales.xls. What I will do is I will give you the link of the same file in the description, so you can watch it from there. So if I just click on the sales.xls, what it has given me is a very simple screen where on the left hand side I have the information about the different sheets. I have order sheets, I have returns, the orders that have been returned, and some users in the third sheet. So I am right now only interested in the first sheet, so that's what it has been checked. If I need both the sheets, I can check returns, or if I need all the sheets, I will just check them. And by default it has sensed that it is a Excel format, and that's why it has populated it. Embedded field name is basically indicates that first row within the Excel file contains the field name. If it is like the second row or third row, we can change it from plus over here, and it will take the first row or the second row or the third row as the name of the fields. If I want to remove any of the columns, for example row number, I really don't need row number, right? So I can just uncheck this, and this will not be part of my application, right? And you have the option to basically go in and view the entire data, and we have other options like filters and all. So let me show that to you in a different video, but for now over here let's simply go ahead and add the data, and let's keep it very simple. So data loaded successfully in just 1 second. It was a very small data, I think not even like 10,000 rows, so pretty quick. Close. Now over here we are in the this app, and over here we have got these different fields. First option is get started with the insights, where you can search your data for field or concepts. So it generates some quick insights. Apart from that, if you see over here, this is the insight section, and this section is basically something about selection tools. the fields that are available for the selection. So let's go ahead and see this. So what it has is basically your selections that you can make on. So for example, these fields like customer name, customer segment, discount, are calculated, and so on and so forth. I can simply go in and drag it down. So in that case, if you need to see all of the fields which are there for you, you can actually come to this option, which is kind of a all selection or selection tool for all of the filters that is available for you. So, and if I go back to quick insights, get started with the insights, let's generate some insight and see what it has to give us. So once we have just clicked on that, it has created some good visualization for us, and you can see all of these visualization are getting created automatically. So even if you are a new user and you are not at all aware about how I will going to create some sort of a charts, you can simply click on this generate insights, and what it has done is order ID by sale. So which order ID has got the maximum sales, so it's in a sorted manner. Again, Pareto chart, kind of 80% of the sales are coming from the 20% of the products, so it applies that rule. And as you can see over here, these 4 categories are generating the most sales, and that's what it is indicating. And then you have sum of sales year to date by order date, right? And then sales broken by product category. Then you have broken by province, order priority, and all a different type of chart. Then overview of province by product subcategory and sum of sales. So these are like province like Ontario, Alberta, Quebec, Nova Scotia, all of these, British Columbia, looks like a Canadian one. So after that you have ship mode over ship date, sum of sales and profit, sum of unit price over ship date. All of these different dimensions it has identified, and the measures it has identified and given us. It's pretty interesting chart. Sum of profit and sum of sales for province, clearly indicating that this is the one which is really having the good profit as well as good sales, right? Similar chart over here, but with some sort of a conditional formatting, right? So this is what it has generated some insights for us. And if you are interested, we have the option of adding it to a sheet, to a my new sheet, or you can create a new sheet over here. So this is about a quick overview of your application creation. We explored this selection tool, and we generated some insights. And in the next video, let's talk further, and let's start creating some of our chart.